Tina.
Please, Joy, don't mock me, okay? You don't have to give me the money. I can understand. But you should have just said no instead of coming all the way here.
Wait, what exactly do you have to lose if you do this little thing?
Little thing? You call seducing your husband little thing? I'm not just going to seduce him. I'm going to have to sleep with him.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl talk with Presh, and welcome back to the channel again. And this is me saying Merry Christmas to everyone who watches my channel, okay? And I bring you guys another new movie. The name of this movie is Hearts at Play. Okay, now this movie is starring Chinenye Nnebe, Maurice Sam, Peter Komba, Chinenye Olai, alongside other amazing actors, actresses, cast, and crew. Okay, now let me give you guys a lowdown of this movie. Now, this movie, first of all, is what I would like to call if you stay where you are not will be hungering you. Yes, that is, I just have to say it like that. That is what this movie is. Now, this movie is about a young man, an amazing young man who falls in love, gets married to this girl, and yeah, when he got married to this girl, she was experiencing down times. He was so kind to offset her bills, send her to school, care for her family. He does every single thing for this girl. And now that she feels like, okay, she has arrived, he has sorted out all her issues, he suddenly becomes unattractive to her. He suddenly becomes old school. He suddenly becomes a guy with no swag, a guy with no steez and everything. And in this movie, you can see that this guy is trying as much as possible to be a loving husband, despite her faults, despite her flaws. But no, this girl already has her mind made up to the extent that she started cheating on her husband with a supposed, will I say, YouTuber or TikToker, whatever it is. All because she feels like, okay, this person has more steez and my husband doesn't. Okay. So this whole movie is just it was annoying at a point because this girl went ahead to bring in someone to seduce her husband, because obviously she knew that if she comes out to say I want to divorce this man, people were going to ask her what is the reason why you want to divorce this man, and she didn't have any good reason for divorcing him because obviously this man has done nothing to her. So most times she would try to provoke him so that he can hit her, or she was just trying to bring out debts on this man, but she couldn't get anything on him. And at the end of the day, she got what she wanted. She finally left her husband for a supposed steezy guy. And it turns out that this guy cheated on her at the end, and she lost the amazing man she had. And the person who she sent to seduce her husband ended up with her husband. Yes, that is karma at play. And the karma did not take long before it happened. It was very amazing to watch. Okay. So guys, um this is a lesson to people who, when you have something, you don't see the goodness in what you have. Instead, it's that thing that is outside that is hungering you. When you eventually get outside, you will see that all that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is really not gold. Where you are, wherever you are, build it. If you feel as if your husband doesn't have steez, talk to him about it. Okay? Talk to him about it. If you feel like his dress sense isn't good enough, these are things that can easily change. This movie also reminds me about this Nurse Mirage's show where they're trying to find love. You see girls rejecting guys for very little things like, okay, I don't like his shoe, I don't like his clothes. And there's one thing Osmiraj will always say: is he going to wear the shoe forever? Is he going to wear the clothes forever? These are things that you can work on, not losing everything you have all because of materialistic nonsense. To me, it was just, she just lost her home over something that was so useless. Okay, so guys, watch this movie. You can watch the movie at Uchenna Umbanubo TV. Okay, and at this point, this is where I say please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Try and watch till the end. I'll be dropping amazing movies throughout today. I have dropped two already. This is the third one, and I will be dropping others. So please endeavor to go to the video icon, Click on the video icon and you'll see other movie recommendations that I have. Trust me, I have amazing movies, even Christmas movies. Whatever you want to watch, you're going to find it on my channel. So please try as much as possible to click on the video icon and watch the other movie recommendations. Thank you very much. Bye.